Behind every performance is the human story. Pressure, expectations, silent struggles. Athletes face more than physical demands. The toughest battles are often unseen.
उस दिन तो मतलब ऐसा लगा था कि मतलब मेरे जो ड्रीम है ना वो मतलब टूट रहे हैं। फिर मतलब उसके बाद थोड़ा सा हुआ था कि हाँ मतलब पता नहीं आगे हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा।
Through structured support, athletes build focus, resilience, and balance.
लंच करके करना आपको शाम का। फिर 4 बजे तक सेशन।
तो आप 12 बजे आते हो और फिर सोने चले जाते हो।
I wasn't aware of the system at nutritionist, my well-being, all yoga teachers and all that. But after this, when I started getting in connect with everyone, my nutritionist ma'am, Verita ma'am, then my yoga sir, then all the well-being sir, all the well-being ma'ams, they taught me, for example, mental part, that taught me yoga, how to meditate, how to do visualization before matches. And for my diet, I had my plan ready for whichever country I was starting to, and whatever food is available, easily available there. So I'm really thankful to the Roundglass family and to the well-being team.
Well-being goes beyond performance. It supports the whole person.
So there was many thoughts कि मैं कब वापस आऊँगा, कब खेलूँगा, तो वो आसान नहीं होता. But I started motivating myself. My inner voice. So it was me. You have to do it no matter what. Because it's been a long time you're on, and if you can't do anything now, it's all gone. So I have to do it like that. And I started motivating myself.
Recovery is not just physical, it's mental and emotional, supporting athletes on and off the field. Performance and well-being go hand in hand through collaboration.
I was speaking with some kids in the tennis thing just before we came here, and there was this one girl who has had a abdominal injury because of which she couldn't play for many months. She was helped by the psychologist, she was helped by her coach, etc., etc. And I think the little professional stuff will make the difference.
All the enter players now, especially with reserve teams, they are thinking that they are grown up, they have this right that they can say kabul. So yeah, so they have messed up with their own sleep cycle. So that is what. And now he wants melatonin for the same which I had refused to give us. So yeah.
When coaches and well-being teams work together, athletes are better supported.
Here the well-being team plays a big role where they come down over here once to twice a week and they work on the athletes. And when a special requirement is there for a child and we reach out to them, they come down and they do it over here. The good part about the well-being team, I would say, it's doing their work in a very structured manner. And they have evaluations, and then the programs are done regularly. They evaluated and their programs are remade according to their needs.
From struggle to strength, athletes don't just recover, they grow. Because strong athletes need continuous support.
I got my essay there around 1034 during a match. First of all, नहीं बोलना था कि कोई भी प्लेयर ऐसा है कि उसको इंजरी हो, पर ऐसे हम लोग को पता है कि इंजरीज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल कभी भी हो सकता है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो काफ़ी टफ था because the duration of the injury was very long. It's almost been a year, and during that period there was many challenges कि कैसे उसको हैंडल करना है, क्या करना है. तब there was many thoughts कि मैं फिर से वैसे खेल पाऊँगा कि नहीं, फिर से वही परफॉर्मेंस कर पाऊँगा कि. पर physios, my coach, a nutritionist, everybody helped me during that time.